cutting this all out right here. And then where are you guys cutting it over here?
Huh?
You guys cutting this right in the center, right behind the cap?
The resonate, yeah.
Oh, okay. 2.5 inch all the way back.
That sounded ugly.
I need to put that resonator back on.
That sounded bad. Oh my god. What are you leaking right there?
I dropped oil and I cleaned it up.
Loser. Anyways, we just got finished with the live stream, guys. Thank you very much to everyone that joined into the live stream and actually donated. Like, I did not think we were gonna get any donations, or I just didn't think that was a thing. And we got donations, so that was pretty cool. Really cool. We're for sure gonna be doing this again, but while Clay and Zoe they're playing musical cars, we're gonna be installing a fender on his Matrix right here, because he crashed when he was in Southern California doing time machine cover gaskets, and he was sleeping behind the wheel, and boom, he hit a car. And so now he has a new fender courtesy of Steve. I really hope that's just dirt. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and install this one. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna have to be doing the same thing anyways for my fenders, because my dad did get in a little fender bender and kind of messed up the whole front end, but it is what it is. Pretty easy to fix anyways, so we're gonna gotta go ahead and start doing this. Oh, and I'm probably gonna be installing that. Shouldn't be too hard, but we'll see what's up. And yes, I already did say thanks to Steve, which was the first thing I did. When?
Shut up.
So, gonna be installing the Tier D intake. You know, because it's an 0506, the air injection, it doesn't have a port for it. Because it was only meant for the 03 XRS, if I remember correctly. Damn, what's that? Bring it over here.
A little bit dirty, sorry.
R9K tune.
Shout out to Gustavo.
Nice. Must be nice. All right, get to working. So, damn, fuck the ECU. So, first things first, raise up the car.
Pop the hood open.
Pop the hood open. We're gonna need to remove the wheel to get to all the clips inside the fender liner. And shouldn't be too hard to get to. So, gonna come down here, and Clayton has to remove all these clips on the fender.
That's a torn up fender piece, huh?
Dude, just take it off.
No, I'm gonna leave it on just for now.
Leave it on. What's left of it? My
So funny.
God.
You're funny, aren't you?
Take it off, dude.
You don't have to remove the bumper first?
Just take it off.
You have to remove the bumper first?
Yeah, there's one screw right here. And then there's just a series of clips right here that pop off. And I believe you have to remove the side skirt.
How do I remove these? I just pull like this?
Well, at that point, you might as well break the clips. You for sure aren't going to put the fender liner back on anymore.
Well, there's only 2 clips holding it.
All right, P clips. All right, that's it. That's enough. You don't have to take just
Okay.
from the fender. Just from the fender.
So now it's just a 10 mil on the front, right?
Yeah, it looks like you might have to remove the headlight.
That's not too bad. It's just three bolts.
Damn, can't even clean up the fender before he installs it.
I'm gonna wash the car tomorrow. This thing's already dirty, so I'll just wash it when I wash this. This was actually in really good condition. It just has like hella water spots and dirt. Thank you once again, Steve. I really appreciate it. You're an amazing person. Thank you.
Drops impact on hammer, leaves huge dent on it.
Steve, could you get me another?
Red Eyes Black Dragon.
What are you talking
Or Red Eyes White Dragon.
White? It's racist. Yeah, I'm
over
doing the
here.
bumper all the way in the front.
Over here, there's a screw.
Would you just do these by hand?
I think you need a Phillips head for that.
Really?
And doesn't have the tools for the job. Too ZZ. Slow ZZ.
I don't really got a lot of work.
Oh, you about to trip on that shoe.
It's my work shoe. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a lot of work to this thing other than nothing really engine modification. Maybe like the MWR pulleys, but even then,
Nah, just keep it daily-ish.
The MWR pulleys is like max I'll go. Once the clutch goes out for Donza, and I don't know. I don't even know, man.
There's that one 10mm bolt that's in there.
Boom.
There's a clip in the front that you didn't get.
Yeah, I know. Silica cover. Probably should cut mine like Anthony's.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, Anthony cut his.
It was like right here, I think.
Yeah, he cut his so that he can make, the hoses. Oh,
It's good. I'm paying the car.
all right. Fuck it. Yeah, just move it out of the way. That's it, dude.
I don't think you gotta remove the headlight. It's just this 110. No.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I didn't know this car.
Well, just remove that 10mm right there. Oh, he's missing the. Oh, you broke it off. It's right here attached still.
What is this?
The fender bracket or the bumper bracket for the fender.
One.
10mm comes off. Then you got a couple over here on top.
Fender's almost already off. Look at that.
I think you should just take off the headlight, dude.
I think it's only this one.
And this one over here.
Hold on.
Headlight. Just take off the headlight. Make it easier for yourself. Fucking loser.
What the hell? You guys hear that?
Ooh.
When? It's already fine like this.
You're gonna drop it and you're gonna scratch it. Take it off. Don't be a dummy. Unbolt. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna see it, guys. It's gonna happen, and he's gonna cry about it.
Okay. More on the
Um.
inside, no?
Yeah, I think you gotta take off the door. Not the door, but
Take off the entire
no,
door.
no. I didn't mean to say that.
Someone asked for a video.
You have to take. There's a. Does this thing even have a fucking jack stand? No. Oh my god. I think there's one in here. Oh, yep, right here.
Don't need an extension.
And there's one inside as well. So get the one inside the door first.
Which one?
There's one inside the door, like in the crack right here. Right here. You see it?
No.
Yeah, there's one right here. Right here.
Yeah.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, there's another one behind this cover. You have to take off this cover to access the other bolt. So let's go ahead and do that first.
Shut up.
Where'd that bolt go?
I'll find it. Plus I have extra, so.
In the depths of the inner fender.
True. Hey, where else is there? One more down here?
Yeah, so you have to take off that cover.
This fender liner?
There's a cover inside. Do you see the cover? Just pull it out.
This little thing?
Yes. Not so little. There's another bolt behind that cover. Do you
I
see it?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Well, last one is underneath the side skirt. So you kind of had to pop off the side skirt. Or unless you feel it.
Oh wait, everything's on the bottom actually.
All right.
Unless I'm tripping.
I think it's on the pinch weld, dude.
No, see it.
But even though you still have to remove the side skirt to get the new fender on and off.
Oh, that one dead.
You're gonna strip it, dude.
Shut up.
Strip City. Rip after breaking the clips and some of the clips on the side. Hell of leaves coming down. Hell of leaves. Oh, I think there's one on the cowl if I'm not mistaken. You kind of have to get to it. I don't know if that makes sense.
I can see it.
But yeah, we broke it. I accidentally broke a couple of the clips. Whoops.
How do I reach that one? Oh, wait.
R.I.P. But he's trying to get one more.
Oh, I see it. It's right here on the top. You see? I think this cowl piece right here. It's right here. I don't know if you can barely see it. But it's there.
And that's the last one to get to, and then the fender should come off. Loser. So there's kind of like a little hack to get the cowl one off. We use the flathead
Just peel it up.
to kind of peel up the cowl there to get that last 10mm bolt, and now the fender should come off. I hope. Oh, there it goes. Cool. Oh, there's one more clip down there holding the splash
No, it's not
guard.
even holding. It's just getting caught.
You sure?
Yeah, I can see it. It's completely separated. Oh wait, it's holding the fender liner.
Told ya.
Is that, you said splash? Oh wait.
Fucking loser.
Thank you, Dodge 2500.
When? Scion TC center console lid.
Yeah. This one, yeah, wait. This one doesn't have the inner fender liner, so I'm gonna attach that real quick, I think, right?
Take off those clips at the bottom, dude.
That one's also broken as well.
Oh. Rip.
Or should I just attach this one?
Just put that one back on.
How's it go on?
I don't know. You're the one that took it off.
Damn, that sucks.
You can't put it back on that? Oh my god.
Ta-da! All done, yep. That's it.
Cringe.
Crunchy
Ugh.
crunch. Captain Crunch.
Jeez. Captain Cringe. That headlight's gonna fall down.
Mm-hmm.
Did I ask? Crunchitize me, Captain. Dirt Cross Thread City.
Shut up.
Cross Threaded City. Was the door open completely? Okay.
Two more.
All right, hurry up.
Well, where's the,
Cross Threaded City.
Cheers. You hit back on my side skirt real quick while I do this?
Nah.
Excuse me.
Just reverse everything. All right, you're gonna break it. Don't do it that hard. Dude, you don't need to over torque it. That's more than enough.
Solid.
Fucking cringe, man. Well, it's a different shade of blue.
Well, I mean, the car was repainted, and this one's
Factory.
probably nice.
All right, finish putting your intake now. If you're gonna do that. All right, damn, dude, over torquing to shit.
Shut up.
Look, it went through.
It's the whole. Oh my God. Shut up.
All right, well, I hope you realize you probably should have left your headlight off to install your intake.
Was I supposed to?
I took off my headlight when I installed mine.
It takes two goals. It's okay.
All right, after recording like
Were you in the same video?
that. No, I guess that's it. I mean, there you go. How to install a fender. Whoopee.
So great.
So he already replaced this fender, and yeah, the fender is kind of on the paint. The paint's not that great on it, but he's gonna get the whole car repainted. We're gonna sand the whole car down and get it as smooth as possible. Everything's fine on the car. There's no dents or damages on it, other than this area right here. This is full of Bondo, so we're gonna sand this down smooth and evenly with some block sanding.